Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. In this video I will go over CRO, and as you can see we're looking at the daily right now, the daily time frame, and it made a huge move to the upside. So yeah, is this the final push that CRO needs in order to go much higher? Well, if we're looking at the divergence, the RSI divergence, for example, we see that this over here is lower than this over here, while this is lower than this. So there's a divergence, which means this is a hidden bullish divergence, which means that it might go up finally. So if we go to the 4-hour, we see that yeah, it was a really nice push over here. I expected to make a final push to the downside at about 45 cents, but it didn't. It went to the upside. That also correlates nicely with the daily 50 exponential moving average. So now it made a small, so yeah, now it touched it really quickly and then it went to the upside. But this looks really bullish. Right now we see that it made a higher high, so it closed above this zone over here, which I said in earlier videos that this is a bullish signal. And it also, if you have noticed, that it has also crossed this trend line, so it looks quite bullish. If we also look at Bitcoin, for example, we see that it came out of the channel, nice channel, and now it's quite crucial what will happen, because there are basically two things. It either can go back in a zone, and then yeah, we see that it will eventually cross this trend line, or it will, let me draw it, it will go to the upside, basically retest this trend line and go to the downside. But I'm not sure if this will happen. I think it's likely that it will go back in the channel. But yeah, this is a scenario that we need to be aware of, and the same applies for CRO, of course. My expectation is now that that we will go to the upside, and yeah, unfortunately I missed the final push, but that's why I advocate dollar cost averaging, so you keep buying. So I bought some over here, I bought something over here, and now it goes to the upside. So yeah, you don't have to aim for the lowest point, because that's really hard to do. And as you can see, it's going to the upside right now. And another scenario that could happen, that might happen, is, so now as you can see, it crossed this zone to the upside. It is going to make a small pullback and then it goes to the upside. That is also another scenario that might happen. Well, usually it happens in the financial markets. Nothing will go to the moon. As you can see, even over here, it went to the upside, but then it dipped a bit. It went to the upside, then it dipped a bit. It went to the upside, then it dipped a bit. It went to the upside, and then it dipped a bit. So that might happen here as well, that it went to the upside and then it dipped a bit and then it goes much higher. So if you're interested in buying crypto.com, the CRO coin, sign up in the link in my description below. I'll see you in the next one.